friends, welcome you all in Sarma English classes. My dear friend, today I want to discuss regarding public speaking. When the matter comes to discuss in front of people, this gives a lot of problems to those people who they are suffering from agitation problem, nervousness problem, or they don't have proper confidence. My dear friends, I'm gonna use some golden tips. If you are going to use them, you are going to be a great communicator. You can speak well with confidence in front of bulk of people. Speaking to people on a one-to-one basis is a social conversation. You have learned the aspect of communication so far. Now let's talk about public speaking. What is public speaking? Public speaking is speaking to a number of people at the same time. Speech here is distinct in that it calls for more politeness, polish, and clarity. There's a lot of difference between social conversation and a formal presentation. We are all born in society in which conversation is a matter of daily exercise. We learn to talk, to listen, to interact, and when to react or not to react to others as a matter of familiar experience. However, the public speaker's role implies a totally different set of relationships. To begin with, the give and take of dialogue, so integral to a social conversation, becomes a process of monologue. In addition, the moment you begin speaking to a group, you automatically become the leader of the group, my dear friends. As I was discussing, it gives you more pleasure to listen. Make sure that you have finished speaking before your audience has finished listening. Please follow this mool mantra if you're going to speak in front of people. I mean, a lot of people. You need to use these types of principles, or these types of steps, or I can say these types of golden tips. First of all, wherever you are speaking, whatever you are gonna speak, there should be a type of the thing in your mind, that is purpose. If you have appropriate purpose, or if you know what I need to do according my purpose in terms of getting success, that can be if you have passion. If you are going to achieve your goal with passion, that will give you immense pleasure. Second thing, planning. My dear friends, you have set your goal, so you would go and plan accordingly. If you are going to make plan, your strategy will be made by you in such a manner, and after that you are going to execute all the strategy, all the type of plan which you made, that will take you nearby the success. Third thing, preparation for mission. It doesn't mean that you are having a purpose, you are planning accordingly, but you are not going to prepare. My dear friends, you need to prepare. Preparation is required. And in which direction you need to prepare? Because you are going to achieve mission of yours. If you have set your mission, a target you have, and if you are going to achieve that, kindly go prepare. If there is a requirement to work hard, go work hard and gain the success in your designed goal. My dear friends, polishing and decoration. You are preparing, but simply you are preparing. You are not using any condiment in that will not bring a color. I want you should decorate that. You need to polish that. As you listen or you watch, whenever a person is recruited in any department, he or she has given the cosmetic touches in terms of gaining the particular art for he or she has been recruited. So I am saying you should also polish and decorate, because nowadays there is a thinking, as you are going to decorate, the thing is going to be sold well. So by my dear friends, you need to decorate well, you need to polish well, you need to garnish that in such a manner, buyer, they are waiting for you. I mean, they are waiting for your product, whatever you have. So I'm saying whatever you are going to speaks in such a manner, they are going to appreciate and they are going to receive, in a lovely manner. Practice and practice. This is the key to success. You have listened so many times. practice makes a man perfect. Perfection comes by doing something by and by. So what I'm saying, you need not to satisfy yourself that I can speak. Sometimes due to overconfidence, you think yourself, I can say, I can speak, no problem. But my dear friends, when you start speaking, you start facing problems. So what I'm saying, for gaining this, I mean your target or your mission, you need to practice, practice and practice. This is key to success. Presentation, sometimes we have set a goal, we have decided on what topic we need to speak, but my dear friends, there are two things which generally must be in your mind: what I am having and how I am going to present that. This is a general phenomena. We can speak, but what we are going to speak, this is a major concern. So your content, you have content, very nice, you have great content, you can, but content should be presented well. If you are not going to present well, the content is not going to gain appreciation from the next side. So you should know how to assemble or how to receive great content, number one, and how to present that content which I am having or I have accumulated. So you should know how to put it. The presentation should be well, my dear friend. If presentation is not good, however you try hard to convey or make people understand, people, they will not receive and they will not give you appreciation in that. So this is also very important. Physical and psychological person, my dear, sometimes it happens, we are going to present something, we have all content, we know our purpose, but sometimes due to some personal problem or another problem, or we are distracting ourselves. So what happens generally, psychological or physical, we are not having balance. Maybe psychologically we are not there, but physically we are there. There is a balance. I believe, or I would like to suggest you, this is a combination, psychological and physical, both should be presented, then you can impact good. I think you can create good impact, or you can bring positivity from another side, or you can bring appreciation from next side. So my dear friends, there is a requirement for both things, physical as well as psychological. Balance is required. There should be great coordination. Proactive also, what I am saying, try to understand every problem. Calming, you should know how to solve the problem. It means your IQ should be working in such a manner. It means you should be two steps ahead, you should be in advanced mode to solve that. If any problem comes, so you should have a type of feeling in your mind, what, like forward looking, what happens, I can solve this or I can solve that, easily you can gain success. This is also mool mantra. Performing personality, you should trust upon you that you can perform, and if you believe that you can do this, or you must have this feeling, I can do this, in terms of positivity I'm saying, with optimism. If you're proving yourself or you are putting 100% labor in that, you are going to gain success, my dear friends. Patience and peace, this is also a good thing. When you are discussing or when you are delivering something in front of bulk of people, patience is required. You need not to divert your mind here and there, you need not to distract yourself, you should have patience. Everything you have to accept from here or there, from any side, you need to keep your mind in such a manner that you are going to present whatever you planned, or according to your planning you are going to put. So you are going to receive appreciation, or you are going to receive a great result. Perfection is last, but is very important, I am saying, and this is a mool mantra of all. If you want to perform something, or you have something in your mind and you are presenting something, my dear friends, you need not to satisfy yourself in a small type of appreciation. I believe that you should present such a sort of thing, people are going to bite their finger with their teeth. Like this type of great thing you need to present, they should remember the particular thing, that memorable thing you need to present there with perfection. In such a manner you need to present, people, they are going to put the memory for forever after listening to you. Such type of the impact you need to cast on people, or you should bring positivity in you, and for achieving your target you should involve yourself 100% in that. My dear friends, these type of mool mantras which I gave you, if you like, if you appreciate, my dear friend, kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you everybody.